might wait until 15 minutes before dark. Come on, chickens. Chicks. Come
They're
on.
like, who's the guy with the hat?
Chicks. This way. Oh, buddy.
Go that way.
We can run them up this way.
Go that way.
That's your bread. Oh, come on, let's go. Chicks. Come on, follow me. Come on. Chicken. Oh, shoot. I say, it's not dark enough to go in.
Right.
It's all right. They're not going to go in. We'll get them in later. But she can get her eggs.
Okay.
But, because she gets more eggs than me. I'm going to grab one. Chickens, let's come. I got bread for you.
Few more.
Okay. Nice. That's a good little harvest.
Indeed. I left yesterday's out here too, so it would be more.
That's nice light coming through.
Oh, I love evening time.
Me too.
You're so stubborn. Here we go.
Has to be a group thing.
Here, get your bread. They're all named Penny.
All right, we have eggs.
It's not staged. It doesn't look staged at all. How many eggs did you get?
10.
Nice. Nicely done. I got one. So I have 2 cats in here. This is Wild Greta and Lily Joe, who are, Wild Greta was a stray that started living under my barn about 6 months ago, and she had 6 kittens.
Boy.
And so I found homes for all of them, except for Lily Joe, and she's going to stay with us because she's not that friendly.
Hey, Pam.
Nobody wants a unfriendly cat. Okay,
Pam.
I'm going to grab the dry food.
Hey, I'm going to go back to studying, but if you need
Okay.
anything, just
Okay. Thank you.
no problem. Floyd, if I don't come back down before you leave, it was good.
Nice to see you. Take care. Thanks for playing.
No problem. Thanks for doing this for us. Oh,
So he's getting braver. Lily Joe. She's already a good mouser. She's only 5 months old. Here you go. This is just, she gets this treat so I can get her spayed. And the only way to catch her is to let her come in here all by herself. I'm going to just shut the door on her when the time comes. All right. Greta was very wild, but now she's when she's in the mood, you can pet her. I think still rolling.
Mm-hmm. Who's ready to eat? You know what's going on, huh? Now I gotta take some hay that way to move these two over. It's kind of cool. Everybody knows where they're supposed to be and what's going on. This is the main. Yeah, that's the main. Okay, this one gets out, so we have to do lots of contraptions. Keep her in. She can untie this, but I always tie it. It gives her something to do for 30 minutes if I happen to be late or something. And then, when she gets bored, she unties Ellie's.
I didn't get that gate.
Yeah.
Everybody's happy.
Everybody's happy now. There's one up here to share later. So there's two more of my cats. For the longest time, the two white ones, the two Siamese ones, when the wild one was under the barn, I kept thinking it was that one, you know, and I wondered why she was acting so weird.
All right. Who's the guy in the hat?
I don't know who that guy is. Oh, Jimmy likes canned food. Come on, buddy. Jimmy has weird back legs. I found him when I was working. And he was laying in the road and he was just a little, it could fit in your hand. He was wet and he rode around in the work truck all day and we brought him home. Cats are good company. They're nice. They're independent. They don't require much work. Lily Joe's getting brave. She doesn't venture from the barn too much.
Food.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my gosh. You do bite it. So let's just stay for a minute. And we're going to take this to the cow. Come on in. This is the Taj Mahal of the cow.
Who's that? They're Irish Dexters, so they're a lot smaller. See how good she is? I mean, it took the others a whole lot longer before they would let me pet her. Good girl.
She's small.
Yeah, Dexters are a lot smaller than our average cows.
Well,
The baby
spooked you.
is just tiny.
I didn't mean to spook you. And that's her baby, huh?
That's her baby. A little boy that we... Alright, I think I'm going to... I usually just feed them over the fence,
Okay.
but I think I'm going to go through the gate and they get a little pushy. And they always take it from Goldie, the little brown one. She's a dime.
Shall I come in?
You can come in, just don't let the cows in. There. Here's Goldie. They're fussy. This is the very, very youngest. They're just a couple days apart. I like her too. There you go. Well, this could get really boring.
Oh, we're good. Your mommy doesn't like Jane in here. I see that.
Yeah, it's always kind of funny. Hey, Goldie. This is Miss Goldie. Yeah. They're dual purpose cows. They're milk cows as well as beef cows. That's all I got, baby. And this is Stella, who's jealous and greedy. These are the two that I've had in a round pen and worked with for a couple weeks. And they're much calmer around me than the others. And that's a grown one. She's about 5. There's a big difference. It seems like they don't really hit maturity until they're about 5 years old. That's it, babe.
This grain's like a treat for probably
It's just a
nutrition
treat.
and stuff, or vitamins or anything. Or...
It's more just a treat, just so that they'll you know, look for me. No, it is for her, to supplement her, since she's nursing such a young one. And she's so young herself, so. So,
Okay.
it's kind of antisocial, so we'll do it quick. All you have to do is wave, honey. When the camera's rolling. This is Mika.
Hi, Mika.
Very friendly.
Hi, Mika. Hi. How you doing, Jacob? What do you got? A big stick?
Oh, this is the stick master.
Howdy. I'm Floyd. I was told I need to film you.
Film me?
Yeah.
Just for a second, we just want a snippet of everybody.
Yeah. Were you at Tanner's or no, Tori's?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We didn't come
I
till
showed
about
up late,
10.
so I didn't really get to read, so. Kept thinking about it,
And then we kind of have to be fast.
Oh yeah, we want to get out of here?
Well, when we go through the gate. And we'll try to get them all on this side of the gate. You gotta see the others. Come on, Mommy. Have one. Come on. Up here. Come on. Mommy, come on. They don't know who you are or what you're doing.
No, the hat doesn't help either.
There you go again. Oh boy. Come on, Goldie. They think you have food.
All right. Don't be scared of me.
All right, maybe you can keep their attention, and I'm going to try to sort the truck through the gate. You need to go away. All right, I might need your help.
Okay. They have food. They're not interested.
But they're really funny.
Food prevails.
When they do.
Hey, come here.
Okay.
Hmm? No, I was good.
That's Annabelle. Come here, Annabelle. Who's that? Come here. That's Dib the bull. Can you tell? Hi, Dib. So this was my foundation cow, Fanny, who I said I would never sell. But that's the one Matt and Maya want. So I'm trying to be a real farmer, you know, and only because I know they're going to a good home. Fanny. Hi, Fanny. Hi, pretty. We're waiting for dinner. These are two bull calves too. They are still bull calves. I haven't quite decided how to deal with that yet. So I'm going to feed them so we can go over there to the head gate.
Okay.
All together.
You're going to feed who? Oh,
I'm going to give these so they'll be distracted while we walk over to the head gate whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so this. I'll leave Jane because sometimes he chases Jane and we just happen to be there. And whatever they need to stay healthy. Oh my gosh, so you need a strong person.
All right, show me that again.
So, isn't that neat?
Show me it again, please.
This is the coolest thing. It's just the coolest thing.
And how's it work?
Do it again?
Please.
Oh no. Okay. Boom. And boom. Oh,
All right.
gotta be, somebody's gotta be faster than
Right, or you
me.
need a little grease.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the wood swell. And then we just loosen these little. And I have a little pond over there I had to dig last year because we had that drought.
No drought this year.
No. Although Jacob's predicting one. He says September. We'll see. As long as I have a cut of hay before then, we'll be fine. Hey, Jean.
How come you're scared of me?
Yeah, so we're going to try to clean it out. And a USB to fix it out and then make these 2 ramps. And house there's some big fish in there and some fat is. When little Frankie May says to Seth, what is the parking sign for? I'm not like, it doesn't, you can cut my voice out, right?
Yeah, but what's...
Jane could jump on me. Come here, Jane.
She knows what she's doing.
Hit that last. So this side is important too. We have an old buggy, an Amish buggy.
Wow.
My dad collected all these old cars. I learned to drive in the Volkswagen bus.
Nice.
More old cars. And this truck was actually our truck when I was a kid. It's a mess now, but it was beautiful then. Would it have been better if I cleaned up a little?
Nope.
No? There's an old manure spreader in here that's kind of nice. Is this too dark?
No.
I wish it wasn't full of junk, but this is like ancient. A lot of work. You put the manure in and spreads it out.
More old cars over here.
I had it a little neater.
And we got some tractors down here. An old oil tank.
Well, it was actually gas.
Gas.
We kept diesel in there. We like to refinish the old tractors. So those look kind of nice. We started to do them. The best ones we gave to his best friend who takes them to parades. And now that Massey, that's my tractor. And I still use that baby.
Oh
And
yeah.
it's 1978.
Nice.
Yeah, I love that tractor.
Jane wants to be in every shot now. Atta girl. Got buttercups. And this fence looks great.
The orange tractor, that's Jacob's tractor. I use it a lot now because it's full of drive. So that is the Meadow, the third hayfield, and that's where I thought it would be the easiest place to do the drone. I have one more sign.
One more sign. What's your sign?
Welcome sign. Because we had, the wedding was like right there. It was right there.
Whose wedding was that?
my oldest son.
Oh yeah?
Tori says she's going to get married in the wedding too.
Very nice. What do you think about that, Jane?
He says,
Jane,
I'm tired.
come here.
I need you to jump for me. Come down here. Hey, up here. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Just a little bit of juice left. All right. Come down. Okay. Good. Over here. There you go. There you go.
Come here, Jane. How old is she?
She's 26. And then they would come to here. It's kind of easier in the winter when there's not too many weeds. But now, watch this. But you don't have to film this part. And I hope it's like still working because I sure worked hard. So, I don't remember how to do it now. Let's see, I gotta go up. No. I gotta work on it again.
It might be a bit seized up too.
Yeah. Man, I do so much PB Blaster. If this wasn't seized, if it would go up like the way it's supposed to. Here it goes. See,
There you
open
go.
That. Isn't that cool? And then you can let the cows out. See, mine over there, they have to back out. So, it's historical, but I'm going to put it back to use. It's pretty, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. Jane, come here.
Where is she?
She's down there. I want to see if I get her running through the grass.
Come on, Jenny.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
There she goes. Come on, Jenny. Can you see him? Can I see him?
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Look at you all cleanly groomed up. Up, the heron left. And I didn't even see it go.
Get to the other side where we got them. Oh, there you go, Fancy. Okay. That's what they're going to do, Randy. I wonder if that's a survival thing that just lets your body
That's what I'm thinking too.
go numb or not recognize it.
Oh, hi there.
Thank you for the eggs. And we have eggs. What did we get today?
10.
Nice. You like eggs?
Oh, of course you will. Oh, look how many you got.
I left yesterday.
Oh, good girl. Yes. I get 2 eggs. She gets like 5 or 6. And now I got my one-room chicken who's out there laying eggs. Who knows where? First thing. I felt the door in the radiator kind of. I said, she looks great, but her hair was a mess.
Just woke up from a nap when I got here.
Oh, yeah.
Should we look at the camera?
Sure.
Okay.
You should say hello, like this.
Say hello to the world. The whole world is watching.
Hello, world. Hello, me, watching me on the TV. Oh, crap.
Buttering's not on the list yet. There's a bunch
Say the
of
whole
them.
world is watching me.
I'm not used to being videoed.
Okay, I think we're done.